In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable formula autocomplete in Excel. If you want to turn on and enable formula autocomplete, so click on File, then More. In here, click on Options. Now click on Formulas. Here you will see option Formula autocomplete. Show a list of relevant functions and defined defined names when building cell formulas. This functionality can be enabled or disabled by using the keyboard shortcut like Alt plus down arrow when in formula editing mode. So just you need to turn on this option formula autocomplete, then click on OK. That's it. So like this you can turn on and enable formula autocomplete in Excel. Thanks for watching.